Karasom is in Ukhrul district of Manipur. Here, in 2001, the Purva Sima Vikas Pratishthan started a school to honor Shankar Dinkar Kane, popularly called Bhaiyaji. The 2-day celebration had generated enough enthusiasm in the Karasom and surrounding villages.
Our honorable chief guests has arrived, so shall we all rise up? On behalf of the school headmaster, administrator, and all the teaching staff and students, welcome each and every one of you here in our midst.
The program started with the blessings from Father.
Welcome to the family. We're glad that you have come to show your love with us as we grow in love, and may we always be to you what the God of heaven be, a family always here to be strong and to lean on.
give you a very warm welcome on our 12th annual sports meets come death anniversary of Ojasankar Bhayaji Kane, and pray for smooth conduct of this sports meets.
Today I am here to introduce some of my friends from Maharashtra. So firstly, I will introduce the chief guest of our this function. He is Mr. Surendra Tanna. He is the ex-director.
He Paramatman Jaganivasa Subhamara Sridhara Padaravinda Tuja Vandana Arambiswara Samara Tuje Sanjera Pataraka Niraminashaka
आज मार्च with Mr. R. Rangam, Assistant Teacher, Government High School, Machin.
I feel we still have Bhayaji among us. He is there not only in the photograph, but we feel that his spirit is still here among us. How their parents must have felt at that time. What kind of difficulties they must have faced. But to meet the children, the people in the far east of our country. Perhaps many have not heard of the country. He came here, he said, let me go to the farthest part of my country and meet the people there. And right since then, the journey is on and will continue for years to come. What is this journey? This journey is knowing our countrymen. This journey is knowing our people, understanding, sharing our feelings and emotions, sharing our traditions, social practices, and getting the bond, the emotional bond of friendship, togetherness, and to carry it forward. With this sole objective, Bhayaji took the students right from here to Kanyakumari, the farthest end, the southern end of our country.
Our Ojasankar Vidyalaya is established on 2002. Why we call this Buddha Sankar Vidyalaya? Buddha means it is a teacher.
Bhayaji, on these occasions of this death anniversary, may I tell you something about Bhayaji? See, Bhayaji was a bachelor, and his intention was to sacrifice his life for the cause of social activity. So after he died, now we think of keeping his name remain forever. So we think of this, establishing this school with the help of Maharashtra people only. As a matter of fact, financially this construction of this building, of course local contribution was there, but financially it was totally financed by the people of Maharashtra only.
Actually, I feel the sports meet was already open when these children from their home came and stayed there last night, whole night, to reach here in time. Otherwise, from their own villages, today if they had started, they would not have reached. So they have already opened the sports meet. So I now once again say that the sports meet is open, and get all the happiness, get all the enjoyment, and keep your body and mind fit and strong. I'm throwing this meet open. Catch it!
The opening function was concluded with a prayer.
Amen. Satya Prata Tamana Sunide Prakasa Sangrata Manara Dunide Amara Siddhi Prata Mangala Sara